morning, tin roof rain, baby crying soft but still play. Grandma blessing, salt and flour. One day justice come with power. Dusty sandals on the lane, school book pages stained with rain. Teacher saying work endure, but hunger talking louder. So justice for the poor, that is the open door. We not born to bow forever. We are children of the Lord. Justice for the poor, right down to the village floor. If one man feast and 10 man famine, there is war inside the world. In the market, wait's not true. A rich man smiling, counting you. Cheap election, plastic print, promise paper, spirit fin. Elders gallop by the tree, reason deep on dignity. Lord, that favor only few is just crime. What kind of heaven can wait? Spirit whisper, clear and pure, whatever you do to the least of me, you do to me, you do for sure. Yeah, justice for the poor, that is the open door. We're not bound to bow forever. We are children of the Lord. Justice for the poor, right down to the village floor. When truth step out and sit with mercy. Children of Zion, stand at the gate. Rust on the hinges, still we wait. Oh yeah, they build a law from fear. Call it order, call it faith. But a paper crown will tear when the wind of truth blows straight. Chain on the spirit is a shadow that we made. When we bow down to habit and forget we away. Break the iron gate, it living in your mind, not the heart, my friend. Break the iron gate, step through love and you come home again. Break the iron gate, keys in your heartbeat, listen and turn. Break the iron gate, fire of awareness, let it burn. You see the proud man standing, polishing his key, guarding empty treasure that he never set free. But justice is a river cutting stone in its time. Even mountain armor crumbles back to line. Break the iron gate, it living in your mind, not the heart, my friend. Break the iron gate, step through love and you come home patience in a stranger tongue. Freedom chant, from the belly, from the bone. Freedom chant, turning shackle into song. Freedom chant, every whisper shakes the throne. Freedom chant, till the captives walk back home. Yeah. They sell illusions wrapped up in a paper crown. Name it progress while they grind the poor man down. But truth is older than the empires come and gone. You can't buy sunrise, you can't legislate the dawn. Freedom chant, from the belly, from the bone. Freedom chant, turning shackles into songs. Freedom chant, every whisper shakes the throne. Freedom chant, till the captives walk back home. Yeah. Oh yeah. Who owns the river? Who claims the rain? Who signs a paper for your joy or for your pain? Spirit deeper than the color of your skin, lying in the silence. Let the roaring start within. Oh, freedom chant, from the belly, from the bone. Freedom chant, turning shackles into song. Freedom chant, every whisper shakes the throne. Freedom chant, till the captives walk back home. Step by step now, ancient drums in every circle small, Babylon tall, heart stay green, mind stand free. They teach you count the paper, forget to count your breath. They sell you borrowed hours, from cradle down to death. They dress the chains in color, call the prison just a job. I see the tired faces, hiding every silent sob. This system is a trap, don't let it catch your soul. They want your hands, your back, but they can't own your role. Hold to the higher law, truth in your beating heart. The system is a trap, step out and stand apart, yeah. They feed you fear on morning plates, give you anger for your tea, tell you stranger is your danger, keep you blind to unity. But I see through the veil, past the flags and fancy names. One sword over every head, one spark in every vein. Oh, the system is a trap, don't let it gauge your mind. They profit when you sleep, they tremble when you find the kingdom in your breath, the temple in your chest. The system is a trap, but love still pass the test. Oh yes, if law turn into madness, if right feel trap, but it can't jail Israel. Hey, circle small. Stone in the sling, giant in the gate, lion in my chest, patience on my face. They sell us mirrors, call it higher ground, but truth walk barefoot, silent in the crowd. Stand against Babylon, heart like a mountain strong. Love is the only law, cut like a blazing sword. Stand against Babylon, mind like a steady drum. Fear is a passing cloud, I already won. They teach confusion, call it history, turn us against each other, hide the real enemy. But I read the scriptures written in the trees. Know every child of earth carry the master key. Stand against Babylon, heart like a mountain strong. Love is the only law, cut like a blazing sword. Stand against Babylon, mind like a steady drum. Fear is a passing cloud, I already won. System built on sand, first wave wash it away. Kingdom built on man, Rust come claim it one day. Zion building flesh, every breath a stone. Plant that temple deep in the marrow of your bone. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Stand against Babylon, heart like a mountain strong. Love is the only law, cut like a blazing sword. Stand against Babylon, mind like a steady drum. Fear is a passing cloud, I already won. Stand firm, roots down, Babylon tumble, oh yeah. One word, pure sound, make empire crumble. Oh, stand against Babylon, I clear, spirit strong. Till the last chain fall, we chanting on. Early morning, I could smoke and stone. I stand in the doorway, but my heart walk alone. Babylon Tower, reaching up so proud. Yet one small silence can humble every crowd. They teach us hurry, but wisdom moves slow. Like old river water, finding where to go. I carry questions more than bread and tea. If every man is equal, why chase around we? Rebel in the city, firing up quiet man, walking to the kingdom of frosted steel and sand. Rebel in the city, spirit that you cannot see. I bow to the highest, so no king on me. Oh no, youth at the corner, eyes full of rage. page. Some chase silver, some chase name, some lose their mirror in somebody else's game. I chant for mercy, I chant for sight, for them who never seen their own light. 'Cause every ghetto rooftop is closer to the sky, and every small sufferer asks the same why. Rebel in the city, fire in a quiet man, walking through the kingdom of first aid, steel and sand. Rebel in the city, spirit that you cannot see. I bow to the highest, some looking on me. Yeah, they can't count your wages, they can't count your days, but they can write number on a soul that prays. I am just a shadow passing through their plan, but one drop of courage can flood a wicked land. Rebel in the city, fire in a fired man, walking through the kingdom of rusted steel and sand. Rebel in the city, spirit that you cannot see. I bow to the highest, so no king on me. Rebel in the city. Early morning, market smoke and stove. I stand in the doorway, but my heart walk alone. Early morning, market smoke and stone. Early morning, market smoke and stone. Early morning, early morning, early morning, oh. Strong man leaning on a cane, face full of lines, heart free of chains. Says, son, I was king when I was young, till I learned every crown weighs a ton. He point to the market, the hustle, the race. All of that dust just covering your face. Strength is not fist, not fire, not gun. Strength is the one who refused to run. Strong man in Babylon, walks off, carry wisdom back straight, but his pride laid down. Gold in his soul, feet on the ground. Strong man in Babylon, hold love like a weapon. Say power is the one who can forgive. That's the way a strong man live. Oh, he said, I once bite back for every word, loud like a storm, but my spirit blurred. Shouting at shadows on the wall, till I hear Jah whisper, let them fall. Now I plant seed where they plant hate. I wait on season, I learn on wait. Muscle will fade, teeth will decay. Only a clean heart can carry the day. Strong man in Babylon, walks off, carry wisdom back straight, but his pride laid down. Gold in his soul, feet on the ground. Strong man in Babylon, oh love like a weapon. Say power is the one who can forgive. That's the way a strong man live. He say, who can bow and still stand tall? Who can lose face and still hear the call? Who can get nothing, still share a meal? That is the iron you cannot feel. Oh, strong man in Babylon walks off, carry wisdom back straight, but his pride laid down. Gold in his soul, feet on the ground. Strong man in Babylon. Oh, love like a weapon. Say power is the one who can forgive. That's the way a strong man live. Oh, yo, da 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 da. Oh, oh. Morning break on the hillside. Old man sit by the tamarind tree. Lines in his face like fault lines, maps of what my eyes can't see. He said, son, this world of glitter, but truth wears sandals of dust. If you don't know what chains you carry, you can't know what to trust. These chains of oppression, some iron, some thought, round your wrist, round your reason, round the things you worked hard. Break the lock in your spirit, let the false king fall. Chains of oppression can't hold a free heart at all. Oh no. Teacher talk in the classroom, but the story skips some names. Glory written for the victors, cover up ancestral pain. Preacher shout from the altar, wait for heaven, don't ask why. But the hungry child by the doorway got a sermon in his eye. These chains of oppression, some iron, some law, round your bread, round your body, round the things that you saw. Break the lock in your spirit, let the fear wall fall. Chains of oppression can't hold a free heart at all. No, no. Is a small man hold a big gun? Is a big man hide a small soul? Is a system make them strangers to the light they already know? So I check for the jailer too, he a prisoner of his pride. Cause a chain have two endings, every link got two sides. Yeah, these chains of oppression, some empire, some lie, round your name, round your memory, round the shape of your sky. Break the lock in your oh yeah. Paper crown on a rusted throne, counting coins made of dust and bone. Teach the child just to serve the wage, lock the mind in a glowing cage. But I see crack in the tower wall, hear truth knocking a midnight call. Old books open where the elders speak, lie on wisdom for the humble meek. Babylon system crash, fire blaze to the ash. All them numbers, all them plans turn to sand in Jahannam. Babylon system fall, hear redemption call. When the last false idol smash, Babylon system crash. Hey, man turn more to a barcode tag, spirit sold for a brand and flag. Priest of prophet in a plastic suit, chanting sermons for the poison fruit. But in the lane where the gutters run, little youth rise like a morning sun. Share one meal, still a heart feel full. Love more heavy than a tank of bull. Babylon system crash, fire blaze through the ash. All them numbers, all them plans turn to sand in Jah. Babylon system fall, a redemption call. when the last false idol smash, Babylon system crash. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Every law built on fear soon fade, soon disappear. Every chain on the soul break clean, make man whole. Stone by stone, wall must go. Truth rise slow, overflow. I and I overstand. No king higher than Jah plan. Babylon system crash, fire blaze through the ash. All them numbers, all them plans turn to sand in Jah hand. Babylon system fall, hear redemption call. When the hearts of flesh come back, Babylon system crash.